Need to change your Wi-Fi password or set up your network settings? It all starts by logging into your Windstream Router's admin panel. It might sound technical, but it's actually a very simple process. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to access your router's settings in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Find Windstream Router default credentials. First, flip your Windstream Router and check default login IP address, username and password printed on the sticker. Also default Wi-Fi SSID and password printed. Step 2. Login to router settings. Before we begin, make sure you are connected to your Windstream Wi-Fi network using LAN port or Wi-Fi. Now open any web browser and access Windstream default IP address 192.168.254.254. Press Enter key and wait while username password pop-up windows appear. Use default login username and password admin, or as printed on the router sticker. To change wireless SSID and password, navigate to left side menu. Go to Wireless then Basic. Change wireless SSID name here and press Apply Save button. If you're using Wi-Fi connection, you need to connect again with updated SSID name. Change wireless security key. Go to Wireless then Security tab. Now select your SSID name you want to update Wi-Fi password and create new Wi-Fi password for your Windstream router. Press Apply Save button. After updating wireless SSID and password, you need to connect all your Wi-Fi device with new SSID and password. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Windstream router and update wireless SSID and password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.